Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you already worked hard to create a great YouTube video. Now in this video, I'll show you how to use that video to reach even more people and make more money. I'll show you how to turn a YouTube video into a blog post for free using a powerful AI tool called Video to Blog. Then simply post the blog on your website and make even more money. The link to Video to Blog is in the description below, so make sure you check it out so you can follow along in this tutorial. Let me walk you through how to use it. First, click on the link I have provided. You'll be taken to the tool's homepage. The homepage is very straightforward with minimal information, but it's quite efficient. It features a single line that reads, "Instantly convert YouTube videos into powerful blogs." Next, let's get into how to use the tool. On the homepage, there's a feature that allows you to convert any YouTube video into a blog. For this demo, I'm going to use a video from my YouTube channel Show Me software. All I need to do is copy the link to the video I want to convert and paste it into the Video to Blog tab. It will take a few seconds to process. After loading, you'll see a green check mark indicating that the video has been successfully processed for conversion. The tool provides a variety of options, but for simplicity, we'll skip over most of them. You can explore those later if needed. For now, we'll move straight to the Create Blog button to initiate the conversion. Before proceeding, you'll be prompted to log in. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. Creating one is quick and easy. There are two ways to set up an account, either through an email sign-up or through Google account. Once logged in, the tool will begin generating a blog post based on the selected video. Within a short time, the blog is created, and it's based on the key points of the YouTube video. If you want to modify any part of the blog, it's super easy. For instance, you can highlight text, make changes, or insert your own notes. You can even add images, tables, or videos to the blog using simple insert options. If you'd like to publish the blog directly, there's a Publish button. You can also export it in formats like HTML or publish it directly to platforms like WordPress, Medium, or Blogger. One of the great things about this tool is that it's packed with extra features. For example, if you aren't satisfied with the content, you can use the Regenerate Blog feature to rewrite the blog automatically. In summary, Video to Blog is an incredibly efficient tool that simplifies the process of turning YouTube videos into well-written blog posts. It offers multiple features, including editing options, SEO analysis, and social media previews. The tool works great with multiple languages, making it versatile for a wide range of users. If you run a blog or a website where you need regular content, I highly recommend giving this tool a try. It's user-friendly, affordable, and can save you a lot of time. Don't forget to check the link to Video to Blog in the description below.